How to fix packet loss in Valorant. For this first step, close background app using internet. Open up task manager, go to startup apps. Make sure if you are not using any application means you need to disable it. And one more important thing, if you are not no means no need to disable. Don't disable the inbuilt application. Enable the application of VG tray and real client services. Check it. And after that come to next step. Restart network settings. Search for CMD, right click, click run as administrative and type the following text ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click enter. The next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. And the next command netsh space int space IP space reset. Click enter. The last and final command exit it. Close it and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text ncpa.cpl. Click enter. If you are using Wi-Fi, go with Wi-Fi. Click properties. Click configure. Click advanced and make sure the preferred band it should be in a 5G band. Enable it and click OK. Close it. Come to next step. Search for device manager. Click it. Click network adapters. Right click and double click the adapters. We have seen the pop-up will appear in this. Click advanced. Click it. And one more time, make sure the preferred band it's in 5G only or not. Make sure it and come back. Come to next step. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and reset the network. It will reinstall all your network adapters and come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app features to Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Riot Client and Valorant. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is of not having means then you need to add the application by click allow another app. Click browse and you can add it. Go to C drive, Riot Games, Valorant. If you need to add Valorant means you need to go to Valorant folder. If you need to add Riot Client means you need to go to Riot Client and add it. Click add in the bottom side. I already have so I skip it. You need to add. Click OK. Close it and restart your device.